Hi everyone, today we are going to learn how to find maximum sum of the positive sequence in the given array. In the last lesson, we have learned how to count maximum positive sequence in the given array. And if you haven't gone through that video, I will provide a link in the video description. First, please go through it. And now we will learn how to find maximum positive sum of the continuous numbers in the given array. Suppose the given array is this one. So we have 11. Okay, 11 is a positive number. So now we have negative number. So sequence is uh, a sequence will break here. So we will note 11. Okay, 11 was the maximum positive number so far. So right now we have negative number here. So it will break the positive sequence. Now we will have 5. So it's a positive number, so we will have 5 here. Cool. And next number is also positive number. We will consider 0 as a positive number. So sequence is maintained. 5 and 0 both are positive number. And now we will have 7. So 7 is also a positive number. Still sequence is maintained. So we will sum. So it will become 12. So our last maximum sum will be was 11. So we will update. So maximum sum will become 12. Okay. So now we have negative number. So sequence will break here. We have maintained positive number sequence 507. So now we will have negative number. So it will break. Next number is negative number. So like we here won't be any positive number sequence. Okay, and now we have a positive number 1. So we will have here positive number. Cool. So next number is also positive number, so we will add 4 and 2. Next number is also positive number, so we will add this one also. And next number is also positive number, so we will add this one also. Okay, so 3. So it's a 3. So we will add these numbers. So it will become 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. So we had our maximum sum was 12. Now we have 10. So we won't update. Okay, because 10 is a lesser number than 12. Cool. So what we can do, we can traverse through the area from first index to last index. So we can apply for loop for I equal to 0 to I less than n. N is the number of elements in the given array. Okay, so initially we will have sum as 0 and we will have another variable which is maximum sum. So it is a sum of the number so far. Okay, so initially it will be 0 only. So right now we will have I at first index. Okay, so 11 is a positive number. So what we will do, we will have a condition. So first make open and close braces. Now we will have if condition here, if array of I greater than equal to 0, then what we will do, we will add this given number into sum. Okay, so initially sum was 0 only, so we have comment here sum equal to 0 plus 11. So sum will become 11. Cool. Okay, now so we need to update our maximum sum also. So we can have condition like that, if sum greater than maximum sum, then we will update our maximum sum. So maximum sum will become maximum sum equal to sum. So initially maximum sum was 0, and right now we have our sum as 11. So this condition is true. So we will update our maximum sum. So maximum sum will become 11. Cool. Maximum sum. So now we are running in the for loop. So we will again go to line number 8. So this condition is true. I will become 1. So I less than n. So we will count what's the number of elements in the given array. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So n is 11 here. Okay, cool. So this condition is true. I less than n. It is true. So we will have I here, and this condition is false because minus 3 is not greater than 0. Okay, it is not greater than 0, so this condition will be false. So we should have some else condition is here, because we need to like set our sum as 0. So like to handle the negative numbers we should have else condition here. So we will have else condition here, else sum equal to 0. So we will set our sum at 0, because here negative number occurs. It means our sequence of positive numbers will break here. So for finding sum of next positive sequence, like we should start from 0. Like we have next number as 507, so it is a positive sequence. So we need to set our sum as 0. See line number 12, because uh, because like 507 will be separated from 11. Okay, cool. So we will set here 0. So now we will check our maximum sum was 11. Okay, and we have 0 here. Our sum is 0. So right now we have our sum at 0. So this condition will be false. So we won't update our maximum sum here, line number 15. So we are running in a for loop. So we will go to line number 8 again. So we will have our I as 2. We have 5. So 5 greater than 0. It will be true only. Okay. This condition will be true. So uh, we will have our sum as 0 plus 5. So sum will become 5 only. Cool. So directly we will come to line number 14. We will check 5 is greater than 0 or not. So it is not. So we won't update our maximum sum. Again we will go to line number 11. We will check for I3. So we have 0. This condition is true. So what we will do, we will have our sum as 5. So we will add our array of I. Array of I is 0. So sum will be 5 only. So again we will come to line number 14 and we will check this condition, 5 greater than 11. So this will be false. Then again we will go to line number 8. We will increase our index and we will have 4 here. So this condition is true, 4 less than 11, and array of I is 7 right now. Okay, so this condition is also true. So right now we have our sum as 5. Okay, and array of I is 7, so it will become 12. Cool. So we have sum as 12 and maximum sum was 11 only. So we will this condition is true. We will update our maximum sum, so it will become 12. Now we will increase our index. So it will be here, and we will have index as 5. So this condition is true. Line number 8, I less than n. So we will come to line number 9, and array of I will be -2. So this condition will be false. So we will come to else part, and we will have line number 12. So we will have sum as 0 only. So sum will become 0. Cool. Sum will become 0. So like line number 14, we have sum as 0 and maximum sum was 12 only. So this condition will be false. Again we will go to line number 8. So we will be here. So we will have index as 6. and we have arrow of I as -9. So this condition will be false. Okay, we will come into else part. We will set our sum as 0. So again we will check line at line number 14, sum is 0 is greater than 12 or not. It is not. So we won't update our maximum sum and we will increase our index. So index will become here. So it will be 7. So this condition is still true, 7 less than 11. So arrow of I as 1. This condition is true only. Okay. So we have our sum as 1, sum was 0 only, and we have arrow of I as 1. So sum will become 1. So sum is 1 only, and we will check here 1 is greater than 12 or not. So the condition is false, so we won't update anything. Again we will go to line number 9. We have our updated I as 8. Okay, here. So 8 less than 11, it is true, and we have array of I as 4. So this condition is true only. So we have our sum as 0 and array of I as 4. So sum will become 5. Directly we will come to line number 14 and we will check 5 is greater than 12 or not. So this condition will be false. Then we will increase our index, and index it will be 9. So this condition is still true. So array of I will be 2 only. This condition is true. So we had our sum as 5 and we have array of I as 2. So it will become 7. Cool. So 7 greater than 12. This condition is still false. So we want to update our maximum sum. We will increase our index. So index will become 10. Okay. This condition is still true. Line number 8. Then we will come to line number 9. Arrow of I is 3. It is also true. So we had our sum as 7 and we have arrow of I as 3. So sum will become 10. Okay. And at line number 14 we have like this, 10 greater than 12. So it is still false. So we won't update our maximum sum. Again we will increase our index. Okay. And it will become 11. So this condition will be false. I less than n. 11 is not less than 11. So this condition will be false. So we will terminate our for loop. Okay. So we at last we will print our maximum sum. So this now we will going to write C program for this approach. So for C program, first we need to include our header files. So hash include standard input output dot h. Cool. Then we will have our main method. Return type of main method is integer, so we will return 0 here. Cool. So we will have our n number of elements in the given array, and we will have our array also, int array. So for this case we will have n h 11. Okay. So you can provide scanf there, and you can have user input, and you can at line number 6 you can run a for loop, and through for loop user can give yeah, through for loop user can enter values of this array. So we will have this array. Cool. So initially we will have two variables, sum it will be 0. Okay, we will have maximum sum also. Initially it will be 0. Okay, we will have int I. It is an index for the for loop. Okay, we have for loop I equal to 0, I less than n, I plus plus. Okay, so we will have if condition here, if array of I greater than equal to 0, then we will add current number in the sum variable. Sum equal to sum plus current number. So current number will be array of I. So we will have a else condition also to handle negative numbers. If array of I, we will set our current sum as 0 if current number is a negative number. Cool. And we will have this condition also if our current sum is greater than maximum sum so far. So we will update our maximum sum. So we will have maximum sum as sum. Okay. So at the end of for loop, we can print this maximum sum. There can be a case in the given array all numbers are negative numbers. So there will be no positive sequence in the array. So we will have our maximum sum as 0. See line number 9. Okay. I will show you that case. Just wait a second. So okay, I will comment this thing, line number 1, and we will run this program and we will see the output for this given input. Okay, see it is printing 12. Okay, like if I make this one 11, then maximum sum should be 11, 4, 15 and 5, 20. So it should be 20. Okay, I will run again. See, it is 20. Suppose it was 21. So it should print 21 because uh, maximum sum of positive numbers will be 21. We have single positive numbers, still it has maximum sum. So it should print 21. See, it will print 21. So it's a dynamic program. It will work with any given input. We can have all numbers as negative number. Like here also negative numbers. Here also negative numbers. See, all numbers are negative numbers. So our sum should be 0 only, maximum sum. See, it will print 0. So this is how we can find out maximum sum of positive numbers in the given array. Okay. Okay, bye. Thank you.